Excuse me?
Can I talk to you, please? Stand up, please.
I'm not going to take anything off. I have the right to wear whatever I want.
No, you can't wear this.
Have we got a problem, Mr.
Take it
Officer?
off, please. Take it off. Look like a terrorist.
How am I any different to anyone else that's wearing anything else?
can't
This
wear
is
it at the
beach.
beach.
I'm just trying to have a good
You're
time.
not allowed to wear it at the beach.
You cannot say this.
I'm afraid you're wearing it because you're oppressed, so I'm here
I'm
to
not. I don't feel
unoppress
oppressed
you.
at all. I don't. This is
banned.
racial profiling. You
can't wear it at the beach.
No, you can't say this to me, Mr.
banned.
Officer. You feel oppressed.
It's unbelievable.
I don't.
Take it off, please. Just
I
take
don't.
it off. Take it off.
You can't touch me. You can't. Please give me a reason why I should feel oppressed.
I'm afraid you can't wear
I
it.
can wear
You
whatever.
can't wear it here.
No, do not touch me. Excuse me. Terrorist. You just have such a small mind.
She's obviously a Muslim.
I feel sorry for
You cannot
you.
discriminate her against her religion. You cannot
take this off.
No, it's religion.
She can't wear
No,
it.
it's not what terrorists wear. It's religion.
You're not. No, it's not. It's not okay.
Proper acts. You do not.
What is the reason you accuse
It's not
me?
okay. It's not okay.
do that. You cannot do that. You are not.
How is that?
Why you have to remove it? Where else the law is saying that?
Do that. You don't do it. You don't do it. You don't do it. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. You don't do that. You don't do
My
that.
question for you, why is he asking you to?
He's saying that I feel oppressed and I'm a terrorist and I should take this off.
You can't do that. You absolutely should know that. You should know her right.
We need to raise
Alright,
awareness
that's
on this
fine, that's
issue.
fine.
We need to raise awareness on this issue.
Okay.
We're actors. Excuse me. We're doing a social experiment.
I want to cry.
No, don't cry, don't cry. Yo, we're making a social experiment to show how silly it is, the social experiment.
Yeah.
How did you feel? How did you feel?
My heart's still beating.
Was you angry?
Yeah, I'm so
No, it's not real, it's not real. It's in front. It's not real, it's not real. Why did you end it so early though?
No, because I was
It was on top in it, it got on top in it.
top of me, I didn't.
Yes, you can watch it.
Yo, miss, how did you feel when you witnessed that?
I didn't know what to do. They were filming, they asked me for badge numbers. I was like, listen, let me just explain to them.
problem?
Huh?
What is the problem?
No, there's no problem.
Okay.